So I wanted to shoot a really short video for anyone who is getting started with selling physical products on Amazon or already selling, and share with you something that's just been a breakthrough moment for me, right? This is kind of big and the penny has just dropped, okay? And I'm going to show you an example of this in a second. And this is one of the most powerful things you can do as an Amazon seller, as a seller online, to stand out in this digital e-commerce world. Okay, so what am I even talking about? And I want to show you something now which I came across just in a product research session. And I do Amazon private label. So this is basically where you go into Amazon, you find an opportunity where you have a niche of sellers, you've got low competition, high demand products, and you find a way to improve a product, make a better product offering. You go and get that product manufactured in China, you then bring that product in and you put it in the market and you sell it. And the idea is you have a better product offering than the offers that are already out there. Now, I was doing some product research earlier. I'm going to jump over to my screen right now and show you this because this is really cool. So I was doing some product research earlier and I was researching this product here, which is a can crusher. And you would use this for crushing aluminium cans around your house, like Coke cans and stuff like that. And you attach it to your wall. Super simple product. We've got 222 search results, which is amazing. So there isn't on the surface that much competition. But if we go through these product listings here, you'll notice that there is a lot of products that are very similar. And this is the type of products I'm looking at, these ones here. So ones that's got a handle on, you pull the handle down, it crushes the can. And my first inkling with this is I don't know how to stand out, it's very noisy. And then I came across one product in particular that stood out to me. And it was this one here, Grizzly Living Can Crusher. And you see here, 100 plus bought in the past month. It's at a great sales price. It's selling really well. And if you compare this to all the other products in the market, we've got a cooler, flask to go around a can, screws to the wall. It generally looks like a quality product, right? And this was like a light bulb moment for me because previously, for doing all my selling on Amazon, I'd come into a market like this and just think, meh, there's no way I can stand out in this market because what else can I offer with this? People are already, there's already leaders in the market. It's going to be hard for me to take sales. And you'll notice here, look, there's a lot of these being sold. 200 bought in the past month, 100 bought in the past month, 50 bought in the past month. So there's volume happening in this market. There are sales happening. And with anything like this, I'm not looking to take all the sales. I'm just looking to take a slice of the pie. And what Grizzly Living has done here is something that is really cool and you should take away with this. And it's the power of branding, okay? Now, just stick with me for a second. It's got the Amazon Choice badge, which is also going to help with the improving trust with buyers. But what they've actually done, they've gone all in on their graphics, their creative listings, photographs, everything. And this is something none of the other sellers are doing in this market, right? And this is the reason why, if we look on Keeper, I'll show you their sales. Look at this, 10,000 home and kitchen. This is selling really well. Really good products. And I reckon you could add a video to this. You could definitely make some improvements to sell even more. Now, the other great thing here that this company is doing, they have a website, grizzlyliving.com. And this is all focused around this can crusher. And they sell a chopping board as well, which is like their secondary product. But what they've done is they've come into this market that seems, to me, overly saturated. And they've come in and said, nobody's doing branding correctly here. Nobody's going all in on creatives and really showing the customer how good these products can be. Again, all these creatives, really nice, high quality website, high quality listing on Amazon. This is the stuff that is making the sales. This is the stuff that's making this seller stand out above everybody else on Amazon. And I absolutely love this website. They also have an Instagram and Facebook profile, which isn't as big, but you can see where I'm going here. And in the past, I would have thought this would have been impossible or like a really hard task to go into a market with such a simple, boring product and create a brand literally around this one thing, which a can crusher. So let that be a lesson to you when you are doing product research on Amazon. Don't just go into a market and think, oh, this product's too boring. I can't create a brand around wheelie bin wheels or wheelie bin axles or fence pins or tractor seat covers. They're just examples of boring products. this guy has just done exactly this, or this person has done exactly that. And it was a light bulb moment to me, which I wanted to make a video straight away to share this on. And I hope this has been insightful for you. Super simple tip. The moral of the story is, or takeaway from the video, put so much more effort into anybody else in the competition, into your creatives. Go above and beyond with an image that pops. So the main hero image, make sure it pops in someone's feed, whether that's with a bright color or something that really shows the product in the best light. Images, you want the images to represent the bullet points. So each of your bullet points should be a benefit-rich bullet point. You can then mimic that in your photographs, and you can use infographics to demonstrate what you're talking about. You can then have A+ content, which is basically like a mini sales page or a mini website on Amazon for your product. These are all little things you can do, but they add up in the grand scale of things and create the results like Grizzly Living. I hope this video was useful. Go and check out some more of our videos on this channel, and in the description below there is also a link to Product Launchpad, which is how we work with students and partner with them on products. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.